Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to evaluate the limit if it exists, where it's the limit as t approaches -3 of t squared minus 9 over 2t squared plus 7t plus 3. So what we have here is a limit where we can't directly plug in -3 into the denominator, because if we do that, then we'll get 0, and obviously you can't divide by 0. So what we want to try and do is simplify this, and do that by factoring these numerator and the denominator, and trying to see if there's any common terms that we can eliminate. So this is the difference of two squares up top. So this is t plus 3 times t minus 3. And then in the denominator, we have a trinomial to factor. So we have 2t squared, so that's 2t times t. And there'd be a lot of different options here if we didn't have a prime number here. The only two numbers that multiply to be 3 are 1 and 3. So if we put 3 here and 1 here, that's how you get 7. And therefore, we can say that this is equal to the limit as t approaches -3 of t minus 3 over 2t plus 1. We do have the added domain restriction that t plus 3 cannot equal 0, and therefore that t cannot equal -3. But since we're only looking at the behavior of the function as it approaches -3, and not at -3, this domain restriction doesn't even matter. And now what we can do is we can plug in -3 directly, because we can now do that without getting a denominator of 0. So plugging in -3 for t, we have -3 minus 3 over 2 times -3 plus 1. -3 minus 3 is -6. 2 times -3 is -6 plus 1. This is therefore -6 over -5, which is 6 over 5. So the value of this limit is 6 over 5.